Hello and welcome to Handi Lab. Friend, in this video you will see how to use carom mirror with white beads to get a beautiful mirror embroidery work. Practice make you perfect in square mirror hand embroidery work. Please like this video and subscribe Handi Lab channel. If you are watching this video on YouTube, then follow us on Facebook, or if you are watching this video on Facebook, then follow us on YouTube as well. The link is available in the video description. Now we use the white beads around the edge of square mirror. Beads will enhance the beauty of this mirror. Our final work is ready to review. Just take a look.